Hello, in front of me I have Withings Move watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Withings Health Move application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Withings Health application, Withings Health Move application on our phone. In the app, we can tap on devices, and now you should see the device page for your Withings Move watch. Wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone. It might take a while. Once it says connected, we can tap on next alarm. And on this page, you should see the alarms. As you can see, we have one already, so I'm gonna remove it quickly. But if you don't have any alarm set up, you should see this. And here we can set up the alarm by pressing and holding on this bar to drag it around. And once you drag it around, you should see, as you can see, the time changes. So set it to the time you want your alarm to go off. For example, 5:30, like this. We can also set the smart wake up by pressing and holding on this dot and dragging up and down. And once you're done, tap on save. And here we have our alarm. We can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. We can also enable or disable the option to repeat the alarm. So if you disable it, it's gonna ring only once, next day or the same day, depends on the time. If you select repeat on, you can select specific days on which it's gonna be activating. As you can see, you can tap on them to check them or uncheck them. And also we can change the name of the alarm by tapping on name and changing the name. Like this. And you can also add new alarm by tapping on the plus button right here. Like that. And if you want to remove the alarm, you should see the bin icon. So if you select the alarm, you can tap on bin icon and tap on OK. Like this. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.